guys, it's Kristen with Simply a Stewart, and today I'm back with a Young Living haul. So it's been quite a while since I have done that. Sorry. There you go. I'm short. But you can notice my scenery is a little bit different. I am outside today, so I think it should remain pretty quiet. Sometimes there's a major highway up there. We get some traffic from big trucks and they can be a little louder, but otherwise it's pretty quiet around here. So I decided I would sit outside today, both for a change of scenery and because it was supposed to be beautiful out, or it was supposed to rain, I'm sorry, and it is beautiful out. So I didn't want to give up the sunshine to be inside, but at the same time I didn't want to delay any of these videos any longer. So today I'm going to share with you what was in my May Young Living haul. Now I know it is June, but you can still see the products that I got, and if you're interested in ordering anything, you're able to put it on your next month's ER, or if this is your first time, maybe you're getting a taste of some of the products that we carry through Young Living and that help your home and your family be a little bit cleaner. So without further ado, I'm going to share with you guys some of the things I got this month. So I'll be honest, I usually go in and kind of add things to my order as the month goes on, as I think of them, or I notice that I'm out of something, and then right before it's due, I go in and like check where I'm at, because there are different levels that you can reach and you can get free items per level. So I try and go right around the different levels. You know, if it's 100 or if the next level is 190, so there's a big jump there. So I either order around 100 or around 190 points, which usually is quite in value to about the cash value. And this time I added things randomly and then I totally lost track of my date. A lot of things were going on with the chaos and the whole COVID thing and different things when my date came across, and I literally just forgot. So I got what was on my order. I didn't even know it was coming until it actually came, and it was kind of a surprise and exciting box. But the first thing I did get that I knew I was definitely getting is this thieves cleaner, and it's only because this is actually for a friend. So if you are unfamiliar with this will last you forever. Not really forever, but for a really long time. I use a cap full of this cleaner and dump it into my glass bottle, fill it up with water, and that cleaner, that makes this cleaner last a very long time. There's a truck driving past. That was a little louder, I'm sorry. And so this bottle will last you a very, very long time. I go through it maybe a couple a year, and my kids use the cleaner daily. So if anybody has kids that they let their kids use anything, they use an exorbitant amount a lot of times. I never have to worry about running out usually because it lasts a long time, as well as worry about any toxins that are in it. Even with all the craziness and all the cleaning, my cleaner has not run out. So I was happy to pick this up for my friend in my order this month. Then I ordered the Copaiba and Vanilla conditioner. I tried this, I don't even know what haul it was in now, but I tried this a while ago and I really, really enjoyed it. And I ran out, so I haven't had any, and I've been using a different conditioner. I actually really do not like different conditioners now. This is definitely by far my favorite. It seems a little bit on the pricey side because it is, I don't know, I want to say like $15-16, something to that effect. But I do use half. I will probably try half of this time. Last time I did it in thirds, and the first third worked out great. But this, because it's an odd amount, it's 10. I don't know, something about it. Trying to make the second bottle didn't work as well for me, so I think I'm going to try it in halves this time. But even using a third of this in the bottle and then filling it up with water, and you have to shake it really good, but it worked really, really well. So as with most products in Young Living, you can get a lot out of a little bit. It goes a long way. So this product, definitely one of my favorites, and I'm definitely happy to have it back in my home. So the next thing I got, again, something that I dilute and use more of, is my kids' bath gel. You'll notice that I have a lot of products this month. I just happen to be running out of things. that we use a lot around here. This I do dilute. Again, I use, I'll have to look it up in my recipe book. I can't remember if I used half or a third. If you guys know if you guys use this and you use it in halves or in thirds, if you guys could drop it down in the comment below. It just seems like it lasts such a long time. What I did with it was I used, I think it was half. I don't remember. But I did put it in a mason jar with a foaming top. So I put it in there with the water, used the foaming top, and it lasts forever. My kids use loofahs, and so they just put a squirt or two on their loofah, and we've had very good luck with this. Again, I do not have to worry about any kind of toxins or chemicals. Even, you know, I was first introduced to things like Johnson & Johnson when I had my oldest, and realizing how much stuff is in there that is not great for them. I've been really happy to replace it with this, and I love the fact that it's so economical with being able to cut the cost by cutting the bottle. So then I ordered not one but two, because I swear my kids eat toothpaste. This is a product we do go through, I don't want to say quickly, but a little more quickly. Depends if my little ones get a hold of the toothpaste when I'm not there to necessarily put it on their toothbrush right away. So I have a daughter who just turned 5 and a son who just turned 7, and sometimes they can use way more than necessary. I'm sure if you have young children, you know exactly what I mean. But this, my oldest started using the regular toothbrush, so toothpaste, like my Aroma Bright Thieves, but the rest of them do use the kids' toothpaste. And this one is citrus flavor. They all love it. When we ran out last time, they had to use my Thieves for like a day or two, just because we were waiting on the order and it was way too hot. So they say that they prefer this, much to that if you have kiddos who have an issue with hot things, the Thieves toothpaste can be a little overwhelming for them. So this is a great option. And I'm trying to keep always a backup now of that. So that's why I ordered 2, because I have one in there right now, but I need another one. So this is the last product. I do have a couple oils in there to share you, but this is the last product I ordered, and this is the pet shampoo. And so we got 2 puppies who, while they are still puppies, are much larger now. They are 10 and a half months, and they're big. They're full-grown dogs, and so they need bathed, and we have been using this ever since we got them. Our older dogs used some chemical-filled stuff that was what was introduced to me when I started having dogs, and I am so much happier with this. This lasts a longer time for me. I don't notice that they get an odor nearly as quickly, and I do think that the it doesn't have like that, I don't know, the like cleaner type smell after you bathe them. So I love that. So we've been using this. Another product that I cut and use half at a time. Again, I believe it was half. It could have been a third. I keep these things written down because I don't remember everything. That's the way it goes. But I do cut this product as well. Makes it go a lot further. And then the oil that I ordered this month, if you can see that, Motivation. This is one of my favorite, absolute favorite oils to just drop in the diffuser and go. I know if I put this on and I throw my tennis shoes on in the morning, I am going to be productive. And so I don't know about y'all, but I felt like over this whole quarantine time, I was not as productive as maybe I should have been. So there were areas of my life I was more productive and areas of my life I was less productive. And those less productive areas, I really want to kick myself in the seat of the pants and get them done. And so I made sure I picked this up, because when I went to drop it in the diffuser last month, it was gone and I was devastated. So I put this on my order right away. This oil does run for around $50, so it is one of the more expensive oils. But I don't need to use as much of it. When I use something like lemon or something, I use several drops. This I can usually use 1 or 2 drops and be done. So I'm really happy to have this back in my home, and I can't wait to get it back in my diffuser. So with all of that, unfortunately, I fell in the middle of the ordering. I was around $150. Woo, the wind blew. Around 150 points or $150, which meant that I didn't make it to the 190 to get the extra oils, but I was way over the 100. It's what happened this month. So for the 100 point bonus, I got longevity. So this is actually an oil I have not tried, so I am going to open it and give it a smell, as I love to do. Okay, what's in this? Let's see. It has thyme, orange, clove, frankincense. That's what I'm smelling, and frankincense. So it is a very interesting blend. So now I'd love to hear your guys' opinions of this. Since it is in the white labeling, that means that according to the FDA, you are able to consume this. Now, I'm not going to promote or not promote that. That is up to you 100%, but that is the kind of the stipulation that is between Young Living and the FDA. These ones have been approved. But what do you guys like to do with this if you guys already own it? Do you consume it? Do you wear it? Do you just diffuse it? I would love to hear. This is one I'm really honestly not familiar with, and because I didn't check out my order the way I should have, I wasn't aware of what I was getting or prepared for it. So I would love to hear you guys, what you guys have to say about this. And it is honestly just about time to place my next Young Living order for June. So hopefully I'll be getting that video up just a little bit sooner for you guys, and you guys will be able to see what I got for the next time. But until then, I'll see you guys all later. Bye.